Do you want to create 500 YouTube short videos in just one click with help of 2 AI tools? You only have to do 20% work in it and the remaining 80% work will be done with the help of these 2 AI tools. You just have to give an hour a day and your 500 videos will be ready. With the help of these 2 AI tools, you can make a long video in just 30 minutes. Both will work the same, but in this video I will teach you how to make a 500 short video, so let's start the video. First of all, I give you proof how much money people are earning from YouTube, so check this channel, Quiz Monster. This channel uploads quiz and riddles. Check out another channel, The Quiz Show. This channel also uploads the same video. In this they neither use their voice, nor do they use their face. Now see the earnings of these channels. These channels are earning more than $10,000. And if they are earning, you can also earn. In this video I will explain everything in detail. The first AI tool we will use is Chat GPT. You have to write in it. I will give you this entire prompt in the description. You can copy it from there and prepare this entire script. Chat GPT will create as many quiz riddles as you want. After that, all the data is to be copied and placed in the Google Sheet. Now your video script is ready with the help of AI tool. Your video script will be ready in just 2 minutes. The second AI tool we will use is called Canva. This is an online editing software, and with its help we will make our 500 short videos. Now here you have to select the size of your video. We are making short videos, so we will click on mobile video. If you want to make a long video, it will have the same process. Now here you have to select a good background, or you can use an image. You have to keep the time of the video in it for 10 seconds, then go to the text box and add 2 text, one for the answer and the other for the emojis. After that, you have to copy and paste the emojis in the first text box and you have to adjust its size. After that you have to add the answer in the second text box. After that, you have to set their timing so that the emoji comes first and the answer comes after 5 seconds. Now you have to do the same as I am doing here. You have to watch the video carefully and do the same process, then your video will be ready. Similarly, you can make 500 daily short with the help of these 2 AI tools. If you like the video, click the like button and subscribe to the channel to watch more new videos.